Now the first topic is here, natural number. The number which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity, we can say that is the natural number. We can denote by the natural number n. N, it means 1, 2, 3, that's to infinity. That is called natural number. And we can put in this box like that, curly bracket, and this is the set theory. It is the syllabus of 10 plus 2, but we can denote it by the n equal to 1, 2, 3 to infinity. We can write. Second thing, whole number. Whole number, it means that we can write like that if we can put the value of with 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity, that is called whole number. It means the number which is started from 0 to infinity, that is called whole number. Third things, prime numbers. Those numbers are having maximum 2 factors, that is called prime numbers. Like that, 2. If we are factorize of 2, that it is divided by 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 5. If we are writing 4, so 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. So it is not prime number. So those numbers are maximum 2 factors are called prime numbers. Maximum students are knowing about 1. 1 is not prime number. And here 4 is composite number. Now we are going to read about rational numbers. Now the next topic is here, rational number. The number which is in the form of p by q, that is called rational number. And here q not equal to 0. And p and q belongs to z. It means p and q belongs to 0, plus, minus 1, plus, minus 2, plus, minus 3. That we can write it. Z means integer number. Z means integer numbers. And one thing I would like to say that about the rational number, it's very important. Rational number is terminate and repeating. Like that 1 by 2, if then it is divisible by 0.5, it is terminate. And if I write 1 by 3 and if I divide 0.333, here is going, it means 0.3 numbers of 3 are coming, so that we can write this number 3 is coming, so that we can write 3 bar. Here we can say that this is the bar. It means that is also rational number. We can denote it by rational number through q. It's a quotient, so that q we can write that 0, plus, minus 1, plus, minus 2, and 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, that is infinity. And one thing I would like to say that most of the students always confuse what is the difference between rational numbers and fraction. So basically I would like to say that in this topic that fractional numbers and rational numbers are same. But here the common difference is here. The fraction number is only depend on natural numbers, and rational number depends on integers number. It means only fraction numbers can be rational numbers, but rational number cannot fraction number. It means fraction numbers is only 1 by 2 we can write. 3 by 4. These also are in the form of P by Q, and denominator does not exist 0, but this is only P and Q, not exist on natural number. But if we are going to talk about a rational number, it's also form P by Q, Q not equal to 0, but P and Q belongs to Z. It means integer number. So that basic common difference between fractional number. It's very important. Most of the students confuse in this topic. So now we are going to read about the irrational numbers. Numbers. About irrational numbers, I can say that this is not a perfect square. We can write like this. Generally, students have been seen root 2, root 3, root 5. It is not a perfect square. Not perfect square. And we can say that this is the non-terminating and non-repeating. The basic property of irrational number, we can say that those numbers are having non-terminating and non-repeating, that can be said that irrational number. Generally, we can write the rational number to 2 equal to 1.4, 1.4. Here, this is repeating, non-repeating numbers like this. Here 0.333, this is the repeating, but here is not repeating. We can also some another example of irrational number like that 1.0100, like that 10000, that can't be repeated. And if we are talking about the pi, and most of the students confused, pi is irrational number. Pi is irrational number, and the value of pi by 22 by 7 is rational number, because here this is the form of P by Q, and 7 does not exist 0, and 22 and 7 belongs to Z. It means natural number, you can say that. So this is the rational number. 22 by 7 is rational number, but pi is rational number because the value of pi, if it is divisible by 22 by 7, the value comes 3.14 something, that can't be terminate, and it's not a repeating. So that pi is rational number, and these numbers are 22 by 7 is rational number. So one topic that has been left, integer numbers. Integer numbers. Integer number can be defined by this number line. Suppose this is the 0, the middle point, and we can write that 1, 2, 3, there's infinity. We can say that left side -1, -2, -3, we can go ahead infinitive. So including all these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, plus, -1, plus, -2, plus, -3 to infinity, these are integer numbers, and you can say that denoted by Z. Z means integer numbers. Z equal to, we can write 0 plus -1 plus -2 plus -3 to infinity. Here, if we have to write that about the positive integer number Z, we can denote it Z plus. That means positive. We can write like that 0, 1, 2, 3 dash to infinity. If we write to Z minus negative, like that, we can write -1, -2, -3 to infinity. We can say that. Now our number system has been completed. It's very important because of, in my opinion, that without knowing of this number system, that we are not able to solve the question. Now further, we can use of integers number, use of rational number. Most of the topic we will go through our next classes. Thank you very much.